It is winter and we're going to be making this snowflake. It's going to be really easy. This is the easiest way to make snowflakes like this. All we're going to do is we're going to take this square piece of paper that we have right here and we're going to fold it in half. So I'm going to take this half and I'm going to fold it over, lining this edge of the paper up with this edge. I'm lining this corner up with this corner, and I'm going to put my finger here to stop the paper, and once I get it there, I'm going to hold it down with my left hand. I'm going to push and press down. So I'm pushing this paper away and pressing down with my right hand while holding it with my left hand. And I'm going to fold it over. Then I'm going to take these two top corners and fold them down to the two bottom corners. So I'm going to press my thumb here down in the middle, kind of making that fold over, and I'm going to line up these two corners with bottom two corners. Then I'm going to press up with this finger here and here while holding it with my left hand. Then I'm going to press down and away, just like this. This part that opens up here, I'm going to turn here to the left side. Because the part that doesn't open up, this part right here, we're going to draw a heart on that. And it's going to be a half a heart. So it's going to come up, and then it's going to come down. And you can see that whenever we fold this open, it's going to make a whole heart, just like this. Now down here in the corner, we can also make some sort of design like this, and that's going to duplicate that design there. And we can even add maybe a triangle over here in this corner. But importantly is that we have this heart here. Now when we cut these out, this cannot touch this. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut this heart out. And it's just half a heart, but as it comes down here, so there's my half a heart. And I'm also going to cut out this corner here like this, and I'm going to cut out this corner. Okay, I have these three designs here. When I open it up, it's going to make a heart there. So you can see that heart. My heart might be a little too wide, might should have made it a little skinnier. And then here in the middle where that corner was, you can see how it makes that design. Let me show you some other ways you could put more designs on it. So this was our heart design here. If I wanted to, I could even turn this here and do another heart. This time I'm going to try to make it a little skinnier so that it'll look more like a heart. And here it won't duplicate, but we could still add designs, and we can make these designs really big like this here, and we can make ones that wave, go like this, or even just simple ones like triangles. But notice that each one does not touch the other. Also, I can't cut off an entire edge or it'll fall apart. So I'm going to cut this heart out. I'm going to cut this out. This is what it looks like right now. I'm going to cut this wavy one out. And I'm going to cut out that triangle there. So now that I've cut out several different designs, I'll be able to open it up and it'll look like a snowflake. Notice though, each one has a space that's holding it together. So let's open it up and see what this one looks like. Gonna open it up, there's that heart there. Gonna open it up again. And there's that second heart that I made there. And this is what this one looks like. This is the first one with these here. All right, I hope you have fun creating your simple snowflake.